So in this video, I'll be showing you how to collect the Hearthsoothe Twig Oddity in Where Winds Meet. Now, the Oddity is normally carried by a bird, so in order for you to collect it, you need to shoot the bird down with your bow and arrow. So go ahead and find the best vantage point, and then all you need to do is simply bring out your bow and arrow and shoot the bird. You can use the still water skill feature here so that it slows down the bird's movement enough for you to shoot it. Once you've successfully shot down the bird, now all you need to do is locate where the twig fell. And once you found it, simply pick it up and you've successfully collected your oddity. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.